Hello everyone, we are group 5 of e-commerce class from Fortune Trade University, and today we will present to you a case study which is Puma goes Omni. So our presentations will last for 10 minutes and we'll summarize the case, answer the question. So let's start.
Do you want to share any information about the Puma Company to our viewer?
Well, do you know Puma is a very famous German multinational company that designs and manufactures athletic and casual footwear, apparel, and accessories. Headquartered in Germany, the company was founded in 1948. Do you want to add anything else?
I also know that as of 2016, Puma employs more than 10,000 people worldwide and also distribute its product in more than 120 countries. Now, let's move on to the case.
In this case, we'll discuss about how Puma control their e-commerce strategy. First, they built a centralized website which is to replace multiple e-commerce sites on different platforms. And second is to unify content and product strategies. Secondly, they implement custom built content management system, which is in short CMS. And finally, they also use multiple channels. They maintain an extensive presence on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, and YouTube. Now let's move on to the next part, which is answering questions.
The first question is, what is the purpose of Puma Content Management System? First, let's get to the definition of CMS. As you can see here in the slide, it is a database software program specifically designed to manage structured and unstructured data and objects in a website environment. For easier to understand, CMS is used to create and manage web content. Let's move on to the case. The purpose of Puma CMS is that first is to maintain across all subsites and pages, which is consistent Puma branding and also their navigation. Second is to customize homepage, which is done by category managers. Third is to roll out local, regional, global campaign with ease, and also to integrate with language translate tool. And finally, to locate store by an app called Store Finder, and also to find Puma's product inventory managers. And as a result, Puma has improved their site visualization and navigation, and also it helped to prompt customers. As in the research, customers spend twice as much time on the site, and also it helped to increase 7.1% order rate. Let's move on to the next question.
I will present to you the second question, which is, why did Puma build a single centralized website rather than continue with multiple websites serving different countries and regions? The first reason here is managing multiple websites is challenging, especially for a company like Puma. They have e-commerce sites on several countries served by several languages. The second reason is that having a single website helped Puma a lot. It helped Puma to achieve a consistent and cohesive brand building. It also helped Puma to better collect customer data, to personalize marketing and develop more appealing products. And finally, it helped Puma to roll out local, regional, global campaigns with ease. Now is the final question, which is presented by my friend.
So I will continue with the last question, which is which social media site does Puma use and what do they contribute to Puma's marketing effort? So as you know, since the beginning, Puma has maintained an extensive presence on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, and YouTube. Puma also closely integrates its social strategy with its other marketing channels, and as a result, this helped Puma drive the conversation and deepen its engagement with consumers. This also helped Puma better understand the different regional and sub-brand audiences in more than 120 countries in which it operates. Especially for Facebook, Puma has pages dedicated to sport, country, region, and product category. They are created for other social networks as well. As you can see on the screen, this is the official Facebook page of Puma, and now it has over 17 million likes on Facebook. Uh, Puma also has other Facebook pages for Vietnamese consumer and another Facebook page for products that is related to football. For several years, Puma has taken a trial and error approach in order to focus on building its follower base, but nowadays it has taken another approach, which is a data-driven approach. Uh, for example, it will geo-targeting posts at different times of the day in order to maximize the fan engagement and generate the right mix of online content. Uh, this will help Puma reach the best drive sales. Okay, with the last question, this is the end of our presentation.
If you have any question, please leave it on the comments below.
If you like our content, please hit like and subscribe. We will hear back next week with case number 9.
Goodbye!